In a nutshell, high-velocity IT is the application of digital technology for significant business enablement, where time to market, time to customer, time to change, and speed in general are crucial. High velocity isn't restricted to fast development. It's required throughout the service value chain, from innovation at the start, through development and operations, to the actual realization of value. Just as some digital organizations are more digital than others, the velocity in some organizations is higher than in others. However, an organization with a higher velocity is not necessarily better. The velocity at which an organization should operate depends on the nature of that particular organization, and in some cases, a lower velocity may be more beneficial. Increasing velocity within an organization will always involve costs and risks, particularly where there is a steep change rather than gradual improvement. It's also not necessary or even recommended that the whole of an organization's IT should be high velocity. For example, more dynamic customer-facing systems can be managed with an HVIT way of working, while back-office legacy systems are better handled in a more traditional way. HVIT provides many organizations with higher degrees of digital enablement, but it's not always a prudent investment. For some organizations, it doesn't make sense to undertake such a transformation, as they have other higher priorities. Others may choose not to increase velocity because they think the amount of cultural change involved would be too difficult to achieve or unlikely to generate an acceptable return on investment.